This is the new Alienware M15 thin gaming laptop. This is the box you will receive it in. It's a brown sleeve with the actual box underneath. You can see the specs that we ordered on the screen. This is the i7 model with the 2060. With the brown box removed, we have a nice white Alienware box. Upon opening the box, we're greeted with the Alienware M15 on top. Now, I must say, my first impression is very nice of this laptop. It's actually much lighter and smaller than what I was expecting. Underneath the laptop, we have the Alienware letter with the social media information as always. We have a black folder, or envelope if you want to call it, with the warranty and looks like the safety information. Lots of foam padding on the box as well. And finally, in this compartment, we have a Dell 180 watt power adapter. Depending on your model, you might get a different one. And here we have the AC cord. Oh, speaking of this AC cord, it's not the standard plug style on the other end, like the PC power supply on a desktop or the Alienware 330 watt. And on the front, we basically have nothing. On the side, we have a speaker, headphone jack, USB, Ethernet, and exhaust, and a lock port. On the left side, we have another speaker, two USB Type A, and another exhaust. On the back, we have another exhaust, HDMI, mini DisplayPort, Thunderbolt 3, Alienware graphics amplifier, power, and another exhaust. Let's open up the laptop. So we have the standard Alienware soft touch palm rest. The touchpad has no physical buttons and is an okay size. Keyboard isn't too bad. It has okay travel. On top, it seems we have an intake on each side, I believe. We got a big plastic bezel on the bottom. And we also have a big plastic bezel on top. But at least the side bezels are thin. Let's turn it on. And it's DOA. Let's try again. Oops. Never mind, it's good. So right away we can see the keyboard backlight, and there's not really many fancy lights on this laptop. The keyboard is the main thing you're going to have RGB lighting on, and it's zone lighting as well, not per key. On the bottom we have a big intake area with two rubber feet. Now, compared to a 2018 MacBook Pro 15-inch, it's actually not that much bigger. It mostly seems to be deeper overall, and even the colors seem similar of the two laptops. Now, adding a 2013 MacBook Pro 15-inch, we can see it is very similar in size here and is just a tad larger overall. I'm actually pretty shocked actually on how small this laptop is. With the laptops on top of each other, we can really see the size difference, being only slightly longer on the sides and only slightly deeper on the front. With the laptops, thickness-wise, the M15 is actually very thin. It's thinner than the Alienware 13R3, but of course it's not as thin as either MacBook Pro. But it's not super thick either. Now, with the laptops open, you can see the overall size of the laptop compared to the two MacBook Pro 15-inch models. It's not that big overall in size. Now, I'll be doing a full review hopefully in 1 to 2 weeks. So here's a sneak peek of a stock Cinebench 15 run. So far, it's looking promising. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.